Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to register a trademark in Saudi Arabia, guiding you through each essential step. Securing your brand is vital for success in this dynamic market. The Saudi Authority for Intellectual Property, or SAIP, is the governing body for this process. We will cover everything from initial application to final registration, ensuring your brand receives robust legal protection and stands out in the marketplace. The first step is to conduct a thorough preliminary search to confirm your proposed trademark is unique and not already registered. Next, gather all required documents, such as a power of attorney and your commercial registration certificate. You will then submit your application online via the SAIP portal. Following submission, SAIP performs a formal examination, typically taking about 7 working days, to ensure your mark is distinctive and complies with all legal requirements. Once your application passes examination, your trademark will be published in the official Gazette. This initiates a 60-day opposition period, during which any interested third party can file an objection if they believe your mark infringes upon their rights. These oppositions are handled by the Trademark Board, an administrative body. If an opposition is filed, you will be notified and have 60 days to submit a written counterstatement to defend your application. Finally, if no oppositions are filed, or if any objections are successfully resolved, SAIP will issue your official trademark registration certificate. This grants you exclusive rights for 10 Hijri years, which is approximately 9 years and 8 months. To maintain protection, you must renew your trademark within the last year of its validity. A 6-month grace period is available for late renewals, though this incurs additional fees. Consistent use of your trademark is also recommended to avoid potential cancellation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.